In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Stremio on your Chromecast with Google TV. Now, I'll be upfront with you. Stremio's listing tends to be hidden on this particular device more often than not, so we're going to cover the quick check first, then the reliable backup method that works pretty much every time. Let's dive right in. First things first, it's always worth checking the easy route before doing anything else. Press Home on your remote, open the Google Play Store, and search for Stremio. If the official app shows up, go ahead and select it, hit Install, and once it's done, open it up and log in with your account. Your add-ons and library should sync right over, and you're all set with the simplest possible path. More often than not on this specific device though, Stremio just won't show up in that search, since it's technically still a beta listing on Google's end. Don't worry, this is expected, and there's a dependable workaround. Head back into the Play Store and search for an app called Downloader by AFTV News. Then go ahead and install it. It's a free, well-known tool that lets you pull ACK files straight onto your device without needing a computer involved. Before you open it though, you'll need to flip one setting first. Head into Settings, then System, then About, and look for Android TV OS Build. Tap on it repeatedly, more than 7 times, until you see a message confirming developer options have been enabled. Once that's done, go back to Settings, then System, and you'll notice Developer Options has appeared as a new menu. Open it up and turn on Unknown Sources so your device will allow the install to go through. Now open Downloader, and in the URL bar, type in the direct link to Stremio's Android TV app, which you can always find on Stremio's own downloads page to make sure you're grabbing the real, current version. Since Chromecast with Google TV typically runs on an ARM chip, go ahead and choose the ARM build rather than the ARM64 one unless you happen to know your specific unit is 64-bit. Once the download finishes, select Install and Stremio will land right in your app list just like anything else on the device. Open it up, sign in with your Stremio account, and your add-ons and library should carry over automatically. One tip worth holding on to: check back on Stremio's downloads page every few weeks if you went the sideload route, since a manually installed copy won't update itself the way a Play Store app would. And that covers it. Whether the Play Store surprises you or you end up sideloading, you'll land in exactly the same place. Stremio ready to go on your Chromecast with Google TV. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.